Hey there, what's up? It's Sandeep from Rigorous Stars. Today I'm going to discuss about importance of design and analysis of algorithm. Okay, let's get started. Before studying our topic, importance of design and analysis of algorithm, let us first discuss about why should we study algorithm. Yes, you might be wondering that we have already studied about some popular programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, or blah 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 blah. And we are already familiar with programming language. We already know the syntax of programming language. Then why should we follow such strict that algorithm? Why should we study the sort fucking shit in our course of study? Why that syllabus makers include those topic? We have much more advanced topics to study and to cover on coming days, but we are still reading those algorithms. You might be feeling like that, yes? I was also feeling like that. Don't worry, but I will make you clear why should you study those algorithms at your level. Yes. Okay. Let's get started. As programs get complicated, thinking abstractly or algorithmically allows us to reason about their correctness and efficiency before implementing them. If you go directly on coding, directly on programming, then you will know the falseness or the what cons or disadvantage of that program after only running that program, after only you spend certain time, and after that program consumed certain space of your computer. Yes, but if you go through algorithmically, then that algorithm gives whether that algorithm finishes in certain finite amount of time or not, whether that algorithm produces some correctness or not, either that algorithm is efficient in that scenario or not. All those kind of stuffs will be known previously. So you will save bunch of resources if you go through algorithmically. And next thing is, algorithm always focuses on techniques for solving problems. Yes, while solving problems, the solutions will take some inputs, then that should process that input and produce some meaningful result. If those algorithm or those techniques or those programs doesn't produce any output or doesn't solve any problem, then why we need to follow that program? We can skip that and move to next. Yes, and next point is understand relationship between different computational problems. Yes, and there are lots of algorithm like bubble sort algorithm, has function algorithm. Yes, and breadth first search algorithm, and all those binary sorting, all those. There are many kind of algorithm, and which gives exact or abstract relationship between those computational problems, different computational problem. What kind of computational problem is this, and what kind of algorithm we can implement for this? Those kind of relations will be identified with the help of algorithm. Yes, if we don't know any algorithm, then we cannot move, or we cannot program, or we cannot code that problem, and we cannot solve that problem at all. Yes. Okay, let's move to our next slide. Okay, next point is, it is equally applicable for all branches of computer science, including bachelor's, master's, and even PhD. These are the what branches of your academic career. Despite of this, these algorithms are applicable on each and every aspect of problem solving, from mathematical model to mathematical solution to computational problems and computational solutions. Yes, it is equally applicable. And it is equally applicable for all kind of programming language, from Android to iOS, and from web to other software building projects. And in all those stuffs, algorithms are equally important, and algorithms are equally equivalent in all those cases. And next point is, algorithms play a key role in modern technological innovation. Yes, algorithm plays one of the key role in technological innovation. For example, there is one famous example that Google uses page ranking algorithm. Yes, you might be known to this fact. Is when we enter some queries or some text on the Google, then it captures that queries, and it ranks the web pages or websites for your tab. And there are many other applications of those algorithms. Yes, and then after it is challenging. Algorithm is challenging, and that is good for brain. Why? Because after processing some challenging problems, you struggle through them, and you left with the feeling of few IQ part smarter. Yes, you might feel your IQ fat or thinking capacity or decision making capacity has been improved with the help of what algorithm. If you go directly through programming, then what will happen? That if it will be okay if the program produces or solves the problem. If not, then you will be stuck on that, and you will go on frustrating. But if you go through the algorithm, yes, it will produce a spawn, it will produce a solution at most cases. Okay, is there any confusion? Then you can drop that in comment section. And are there any more importance or more what reasons to study algorithm? Then you can mention that in comment. Yes. Okay. This was for today. Okay. We'll meet in next video. Okay. Thank you.